Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable PDF password for tax documents in Adobe. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Click on File in the top menu. Select Open from the drop-down. Locate and select the PDF document you want to modify. Click Open to load the document into Adobe Acrobat. If prompted, enter the password to open the PDF. Once the document is open, navigate to the Tools menu on the right sidebar. Choose Protect from the list of tools available. Then select Encrypt and click on Remove Security. A dialog box will appear asking for the password again. Enter the password used to secure the document. Click OK to confirm. The password protection will be removed from the document. To save the changes, click on File again in the top menu. Select Save As to create a new copy without the password. Choose a location on your computer and rename the file if desired. Click Save to finalize the process. Your PDF is now free of password protection. You can now access and share your tax documents without restrictions. Close Adobe Acrobat when you are finished. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.